Fuel your weight loss with these flavors. Janet will give us the details. Go ahead, Janet.
I am Janet of the Obesity Prevention Center. For today's topic, flavor and fuel. 7 healthy ingredients to power your weight loss journey. When trying to lose weight, eating nutritious, flavorful foods is so important. Bland diet foods often leave us feeling unsatisfied and hungry. The key is incorporating ingredients that provide taste and nutrition to support weight loss goals while keeping energy levels high. Our food choices matter just as much as portion sizes for weight loss. Packing meals and snacks with more wholesome, minimally processed ingredients lets us cut calories without sacrificing satisfaction. With the right foods, even diet meals can be delicious and filling. Which healthy ingredients should we add to our grocery lists? Let's explore some tasty options. Protein is crucial. Protein plays an essential role in building and maintaining muscle mass, directly impacting metabolism and calorie burn for weight loss. It also promotes satiety thanks to its slow digestion process. Excellent lean protein sources for weight loss include chicken and turkey breast offer stellar protein with less fat than red meat. Grilled or baked poultry makes an easy, versatile meal foundation. Tofu and other soy foods like tempeh provide complete plant-based protein and valuable nutrients like iron, calcium, and omega-3s. Incorporate tofu into stir-fries or smoothies for a nutrition boost. Don't overlook beans, lentils, and legumes. These fiber-filled plant proteins offer supreme satisfaction. Enjoy lentil soup, spicy chickpea curry, or 3-bean chili loaded with protein. Eggs and egg whites cook up fast while delivering top-notch protein. Make a veggie omelet or fluffy egg white scramble to start the day strong. No matter one's preferences, consuming adequate protein from plants and animals supports weight loss and energizes workouts. Supercharge nutrition with superfoods for weight loss. Incorporating more superfoods enhances nutrition and accelerates weight loss through their dense nutrients. These superstars provide antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fiber that promote well-being. Some excellent options include kale and other leafy greens burst with nutrients, but kale is truly a superfood standout. Add some to a smoothie or lightly saute it with garlic and olive oil for a superfood boost. Berries brim with antioxidants. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries satisfy sweet cravings while delivering a megadose of nutrition. Keeping frozen berries on hand makes it easy to add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. Don't let their small size fool you. Mighty chia seeds pack protein, fiber, and omega-3s into each tiny seed. Sprinkling chia onto yogurt, cereal, and salads increases nutritional value. Healthy fats can help with fullness. For years, dietary fat seemed like the ultimate weight loss enemy, but healthy fats are now recognized as essential for overall well-being and effective long-term weight management. Some smart additions include creamy, mild avocados make the perfect addition to salads, sandwiches, and spreads. They provide heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Despite their calories and fat content, research indicates nuts may support weight loss when eaten mindfully in moderation. An ounce of almonds, walnuts, or pecans makes a nutritious snack. Drizzling salads, cooked vegetables, and fish with extra virgin olive oil provides a dose of monounsaturated fat. Studies connect olive oil intake with reduced risks of heart disease. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, sardines, and mackerel serve up anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. Aim for 2 or 3 servings per week. Rather than fearing healthy fats, we can enjoy them judiciously, knowing they help us feel satisfied, absorb vitamins, and provide energy. Just be mindful of portions when snacking on nuts and oils. Fiber fuels fullness. Fiber promotes weight loss by keeping us feeling fuller longer and controlling blood sugar spikes that can lead to crashes and cravings. Some stellar high-fiber foods include whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole grain bread should replace refined grains whenever possible for maximum fiber and nutrients. Fruits are fabulous fiber sources. Berries, pears, apples, and citrus offer sweet fiber, especially when enjoyed whole instead of juiced. Starchy vegetables, including potatoes, sweet potatoes, squash, peas, and corn provide filling fiber. Enjoy them whole or mash them for extra benefits. Beans and legumes like chickpeas, kidney beans, lentils, and black beans truly excel in the fiber department. Add them generously to soups, salads, and veggie burgers. Beyond their healthy fats, most nuts and seeds deliver bountiful fiber. Flax seeds, chia seeds, almonds, and pistachios make smart additions to meals and snacks. Aiming for 25 to 30 grams of daily fiber from whole foods supports weight loss through optimal digestion and prolonged fullness. Herbs and spices boost flavor. Here's a simple way to add flavor without adding calories. Use herbs and spices generously. Some tasty options include golden turmeric lends its vibrant hue and anti-inflammatory benefits to curries, soups, roasted vegetables, and more. A little goes a long way. Cinnamon's sweet and spicy aroma takes oatmeal, baked goods, and even savory dishes up a notch. Some research suggests it may also help stabilize blood sugar. Garlic in powder or fresh form enhances the flavor of pastas, marinades, dressings, and roasted veggies. It also provides antimicrobial benefits. Fresh or ground ginger adds zing to smoothies, stir fries, grains, and marinades. Its energizing heat supports digestion and immunity. Sweet or smoky paprika is a quick way to add rich flavored eggs, chicken, vegetable dishes, and salad dressings. Creating flavorful food by experimenting with various herbs and spices makes healthy eating more exciting. Stay hydrated with herbal tea. Adequate hydration is essential for overall wellness and effective weight loss. Beyond water, sipping herbal teas offers flavorful hydration. Some nutrient-packed options include green tea makes a great anytime beverage. Its antioxidant EGCG may give metabolism a slight boost when regularly consumed. Peppermint tea's refreshing menthol provides a soothing sensation while potentially decreasing hunger. Enjoy first thing in the morning or after dinner. The light herbal flavor and mild sedative properties of chamomile tea make it the perfect nightcap, relaxing the body for sleep without overeating. Ginger tea's invigorating heat stimulates digestion after meals and offers anti-inflammatory benefits. Its bite balances sweet cravings. Bold, tart hibiscus tea acts as a diuretic to flush out bloating and may help lower blood pressure over time. It can be enjoyed hot or iced. Sipping herbal teas allows us to stay hydrated without drinking high-calorie sugary beverages. Discover an array of flavors to drink consistently throughout the day. An occasional indulgence won't derail progress. Completely depriving ourselves of any treats can often trigger rebound binge eating. The occasional small indulgence in moderation is part of a balanced approach. When cravings arise, choose a high-quality, minimally processed version in a modest portion. Some more nutritious options include dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa satisfies a sweet tooth with less sugar than milk chocolate and antioxidants to boot. A small square does the trick. Adding a dollop of organic whipped cream to fresh fruit transforms it into a simple, decadent dessert. For sweetness with crunch, mix a handful of favorite nuts with a tablespoon of dark chocolate chips. This snack provides protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Rather than sugary banana bread, opt for a whole grain zucchini muffin packed with carrots, nuts, and seeds for vitamins, minerals, and protein. Frozen yogurt and sorbet made from just fruit, milk, and live cultures offer a cool, creamy treat when you crave something sweet. Opt for unsweetened versions. The goal is avoiding feelings of deprivation while focusing on quality nutrition. Thoughtfully savoring smaller amounts of our favorite treats can absolutely be part of balanced, healthy eating. Eating nutritiously for weight loss does not mean subsisting only on bland diet foods or constantly battling hunger. Filling our kitchens with delicious whole foods provides the energy our bodies need while setting us up for success. Lean proteins, fiber-rich whole grains, healthy fats, and antioxidant-packed superfoods properly nourish our bodies. Herbs, spices, and teas add bountiful flavors without excess calories or sodium. An occasional small indulgence helps curb cravings. With these healthy ingredients providing the foundation for satisfying meals and snacks, we can discover new favorite recipes for lasting weight loss and improved well-being. This balanced approach to eating fulfills cravings while delivering true nourishment, giving us the best of both worlds. The possibilities are endless when we get creative in the kitchen and eat flavorfully. Our bodies and taste buds will thank us.
Awesome, Janet. Thank you. For our viewers, we encourage you to keep losing weight with us here at the Obesity Prevention Center. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.